Yeah, man. You know, remember in time, you just that start plant up here, so down. See how them look good now. Yeah, man, cabbage bed, yeah, so, and some pepper and skelly and all of them, something there, you see it. Over this, you know, me have a upper bed, you see it. Yeah, see, they have pumpkin and run and start doing them up. Some short they catch me in the weed, and you see the weed and the good and short. Then no start. Have a next patch of okra there, so you see it. See it, weed then come up short. Look, you see the good see it, you know, say short you see it. Still have weed for smoke, you see it. Down. Yeah, man. Cabbage again. Weed them smell good. Yeah, man, me have 45. 45, what one now? 45. Yeah, man. Fuck with 45, you see it. You make 45 get hungry, you know, a bit of blood I go run, you know, you see it. Yeah, man. See, there's some apple me have a come from tree, you know. Yeah. Over here, so I pick up my cabbage junk from the seed. Yeah, man, see cabbage, you know. Over here, some scattered seed, you know. See, so we still have some more cabbage and tomato to plant. But you don't know a thing, said. Work and planting, you see, because right now, I got all work in the morning. I say, yeah, man, thank you for watching, man. You see it. Share, like, leave a comment and let me know where the support, where the fans are come from, you see it. Yeah, man. But it's a good look, you see it. Yeah, man. Cabbage don't come up pretty. Why everything is so pretty? You see, I see sunrise in the morning time, and you see the sun hit. So that's why. Just to get the look of prettiness, you see. Yeah, man. We know you all of them places. Yeah, man, clean them up and plant them up, you see. Yeah, man. We know you see it. And I say, like, share and subscribe. And as well, I say, just leave a comment, let me know. And where the viewer comes from, you see. If I could just leave a comment and say, yo, New York in the building, or American in the building, or Canada in the building, you know what I mean? Just leave a comment when you are ready.